Does your family have a climbing problem? Young children are driven to develop their gross motor skills, but they don't always have a safe place to do it at home, and jungle gyms are typically designed for children 5 plus. This means that they find many other, not so safe ways of practicing those skills. We hear your pain. Introducing the Montessori Climbing Triangle. The Montessori Climbing Triangle allows your children to safely practice their climbing skills while developing balance, coordination, and the vestibular system. The triangle can also be used for many other fun things, like a boat, a store, a tent, or even a racetrack. Plus, it can be folded up and easily stored. We offer 3 different sizes for different size play spaces and children. This is the perfect indoor climber for Canadian winters and something that your children will use for years. And it's built to last. Wondering if this will be right for your family? Check out what some other families have said about our climber. With our long Canadian winters, it can be hard to burn off that extra energy some days. Get a Montessori Climbing Triangle now and fix your climbing problem.